So today I decided to look into what's wrong with the raspberry. You can see I have moved it over here. Right here you can see the little baby raspberry plants. These are from seeds. All of them are from the seeds of the raspberry plants, and I've been going around the garden and pick up all the other seedlings and putting them in water. I'm gonna save those and plant them later. And okay, back to the main plant. You can see it's dead at the very base of the plant. It's easily snapped off too. You can see there's no grain or anything inside the stem. It's all brown and light. There's no water content to it. So the plant is officially dead, and I think it's because I overwater it. There's overwatering, roots rot. You can see, for example, this plant over here, the roots is all pretty much gone. You can only see the main woody part. There's no white roots, which means it's not really developing any new roots. So, like this one too, and yeah, the whole thing is dead. I don't see any life parts.